Have you ever been working on a web app only to have Safari crash unexpectedly? It's frustrating, isn't it? If you face this issue, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to explore how to identify the cause of a Safari crash on iOS. I completely understand how annoying it can be when you're in the middle of something important, and suddenly, Safari reloads the page with that dreaded error message. You're definitely not alone in this struggle. Many users have reported similar issues. Let's dive into the specific situation at hand. One user mentioned that their web app is very JavaScript intensive, with lots of custom markers on Google Maps. They experienced a problem occurred with this web page, so it was reloaded error, especially after resizing a photo. Sound familiar? Let's figure this out together. So what could be causing this crash? It might be an iOS limitation, a memory issue, or even a problem with resizing images. Understanding the root cause is crucial, and we'll break it down step by step. And stick around. I have a valuable tip at the end that can help you prevent these crashes in the future. To identify the cause of the Safari crash on iOS, the user should first check the memory usage of the web application. This can be done using the Web Inspector on a Mac. Next, the user should look for any JavaScript errors or warnings in the console. This can provide insights into what might be causing the crash. The user should also consider simplifying the web application temporarily. This means reducing the number of markers or items on the page to see if the issue persists. Additionally, the user can test the application on different iOS devices to determine if the issue is device-specific or related to the web app itself. Finally, the user should monitor the network activity during the crash. This can help identify if there are any issues with resource loading or uploads. Fun fact, did you know that the first version of Safari was released in 2003? It's come a long way, but even the best browsers can have their hiccups. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. One alternative approach to identify the cause of a Safari crash on iOS is to connect your iPhone to a Mac. Start Xcode, then open the Window menu, select Organizer, go to the Devices tab, and check the console for any errors while trying to reproduce the issue. Here's the tip I promised. Regularly monitor your app's memory usage and optimize images before uploading. This simple habit can save you from unexpected crashes. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should be able to identify the cause of the Safari crash on iOS. Remember, keeping an eye on memory usage is key. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips, and don't miss our next video on optimizing web apps.